Today in this video we will learn about how to use dark mode on your WordPress dashboard. During the night time or in the dark times, you would like to use something dark which portrays you to watch your WordPress dashboard in a dark mode. For that, log into WordPress dashboard and then go to Add New under Plugin section. Now here, search for a new plugin that is dark mode. Install this plugin and then activate it. Once the plugin is activated successfully, now here you can go inside your profile under Users section. Now enable dark mode from here. You just need to apply a tick mark over here and then click over Save Changes. In this way, once your profile is updated, your dark mode is now enabled and your whole WordPress website will give a dark theme.